Okay, today we are going to create an origami heart. So what you need is a square piece of paper, but if you don't have a square piece of paper, what you need to do is you need to take the top part of the paper and fold it to this side of the paper. So it should make a triangle. And there should be, right here, there should be a little, see a way to show it, should be a little like extra part right where that little yellow thing is pointing to. Should be an extra part right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut that piece off. If you know what I'm talking about, you cut that little piece off. So now, there should be a point right there, and a point right there. And if there isn't points there, it isn't going to work. So then you unfold, make sure that crease goes away. You don't want that crease there. So just keep on rubbing on it. Get that crease to go away. And then soon it'll go away. Now what you're going to do is with the square piece of paper, you're going to take the top of the paper, fold it down. So you fold it down. Okay. Then you're going to take this side right here and fold it over here. And if it rolls a little bit, just straighten it out. And make sure your creases are really good. Okay, so now it should be a square. It should be a square. Okay, now since you have gotten a square, you are going to unfold all that you just folded. So now there should be a vertical crease here and a horizontal crease here. So what you're going to do is with this horizontal crease, you're going to fold this part to that horizontal crease right here. Now if you can see, there should be a little line right across there, and this should be folded down right to that spot. Okay, now you're going to flip it over. So now, hopefully I can explain this good. You're going to take this corner right here, all that you can, and fold it as far as you can so that it matches this vertical crease right there. So really you're just taking the bottom part and folding it right so it matches this vertical crease. And also, the weird thing is, there should be a little line right here. It should make a little triangle thing. There should be a line right there. Right there. Right here. Okay. So, if you have that, what you're going to do is you're going to do exactly what you just did on the other side. So now it looks like the little top of a house. So now you flip the model over. So if you can see close enough, there should be right about here, there should be a little slot. So there should be a little slot making a little triangle thing. And if you don't have that, you can't finish it. So what you're going to do is you're going to, there should be like a little spot right here that goes straight and then it goes slanted. You're going to fold that part over, that whole side over, so that it matches with that vertical crease right here. So it should make a box and a little half of a triangle right here. right there. Then you're going to do exactly what you just did to the other side. Fold it all the way over. So now, what you've made is you've made a little triangle. I'll draw it out. A little triangle right here. A little triangle. If you don't have that triangle, sorry. Now you're going to take, there should be a little box right about here. There should be a box there, and a box there. So what you're going to do with these boxes is you're going to take the top of it and you fold it down so that it matches with this vertical crease right here. So now it's made like a little zigzag type thing. Then you do the same to the other side. So now there should be a point there and a point there. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the top point, fold it down to the bottom point. And while you're doing this, there should be a little thing right here that's popping up. Do not flatten that down. Because we're going to do something else to make it flat down. Okay, so now it should have a little pop-up thing that makes it little 3D type. So right here, there should be a little pop-up thing, and right there. So right at that point, there should be two pop-up things. So what you're going to do with these pop-up things is, inside of it, there's like a little crease that you can almost see. You're just going to flatten that down so that this whole piece is all flattened down. So then you're going to take this side. After you've done that, you're going to take this side, you're going to take your two fingers, and you're just going to expand them. So you're going to go like that, but inside of it. So you spread it out like that. So now it's basically creating a little triangle. Then you're going to squash the triangle. So now it's like half of a bow tie. Right there, it's half of a bow tie. Sure, I can draw on it. No, I'm almost done. So then you're going to take this one and do exactly what you just did. So now it is creating a bow tie right there. It's making a little bow tie. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this tip right here and you're going to fold it up. And there should be a little slot under it, right there. So then you're going to take this point and you're going to put it inside that little slot. Okay. So now you have the bow tie right here and a point right here, and just one point. Okay. So then this is almost done. So there should be a little box right here, right next to the bow tie, and you're gonna take then you're gonna take the top part of that little box and you're gonna fold it to this side, right here. So it's at the tip of that little bow tie, right there. So you're gonna fold it, make a little tip, should make like a little triangle thing right there. Yep. So then, after you do that, you're going to do exactly what you just did right here. Right at this point. Okay. Fold it down. You should make a little triangle. So there should be 2 points right there. Okay. Now you're going to take this point right here, and you're going to fold it down so that it matches with the bottom of the box. So, take it. Fold it down just a little bit. Then you're going to do the same with this one. Fold it down. And then this is the ending. It is your origami heart. And as you can see, there's a little, right there. There's a little slot right here inside the heart. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take that little scrap paper that you cut off in the beginning. You're going to take that and you're going to fold this part, the top right here, top of the paper, and you fold it down to the bottom of the paper. Okay, so go ahead and do that. And then after you do that, make a crease. Then get your scissors. So I'm going to wait for a second for you to get your scissors, and then we will start. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we're going to cut that vertical crease right inside here. We're going to cut that vertical crease that we just made so that it makes a smaller piece than what we just had. So we're just going to cut that off. And make sure this is lined paper right here so that you can write on it. So take this side, there should be lines right on there. And you're going to fold it one more time. So you're going to fold the top to the bottom. Okay. And then you undo that. And you fold it one again, just backwards. Okay. Then you're going to fold this side right here. You're going to fold it all the way over to the end. Okay? Then you're going to take this side and fold it all the way over to this side. So go ahead and do that. Then do that, what I just did, one more time. So take this side, fold it all the way over to this side. There. So now it's created a small little box. Little box right here. Right there. Okay. So now what you're going to do with this box is you can unfold it, but make sure you fold it back after you're done. And you write your little letter in there. Fold it back. And the little slot right here in the heart, you can see right there, you place the letter inside that little slot. So, place it in that slot. So now it's in there and you can't see it. So it's right there. Now what you do is you just hand it to the person and you tell them to look in the heart. Right in here. Right in this little slot. Okay. Now I have taught you how to make an origami heart.
Sure, why are you in the video?